This is Lex at MacsFuture, and this is a first look at a Mac app called Glui, Glui. And I just came across it, I guess, early today or yesterday, and I really, really like it, and I've only just, been using it. And what it is, it's a screen capture app, for photos that you can also annotate. And it costs $4.99, and you can, if you get it in the Mac App Store, you can install it on many devices. And so this is a first look, and I've tried to use photo editing or annotation apps like Sketch, but they were too complicated. I didn't like it. And I've got other things like Pixelmator that can annotate photos and stuff like that, but I'm looking for something simple. And Glui is very simple. It installs either on your dock or menu bar or both. And let's see here. Let's see if we can show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what Glui is going to look like. If you look up here in the menu bar, it's just like this photo icon, and it's a very simple app. And when you drop it down, it gives you a couple of selections: crosshair snapshot, window snapshot, image from clipboard, and then some of the things that you've recently uploaded. And I'll talk about the upload before. And then there's preferences and quit Glui. So the default triggers are actually very similar to just the built-in screenshot that Apple has, which is Command-Shift-4. Glui has crosshair snapshot, Command-Shift-5, and window snapshot, Command-Shift-6. So let's see what it looks like. Let's do a window snapshot, and it's going to do that window. And so you can see the window snapshot here is the actual Glui page in the Mac App Store. So this is the interface you get right after you take a snapshot, and you can do different things here. So in the bottom, you've got your choices. You've got your annotation stuff on the left. This is just the pointer, and I guess you can draw arrows. You can say you can move the arrows along. You can rotate them, but it's a simple pointer. You could say, look, here is the Glui icon, and you can remeasure it, and you can change the color. And the color choices are pretty simple. It's blue, red, black, white, green, and yellow. So it's not like incredibly rich with different colors, but look, I like it. And I like how this sort of arrow sort of floats about. Now the other thing you can do is you can put like a box. You can draw a box, and it's going to have that same arrow. I can put like a box there if I wanted to. See, I can highlight it and change the color to blue. I wasn't highlighting the arrow, so it didn't change that. So that's nice. The other thing you can do is you can type on it. You can write like an annotation. So I'm going to write, here is my test. Now you could see the font. You don't really get, I don't think you get a choice. Well, you do get a choice of fonts up there. You can get bigger or smaller, but I don't think you can change the type of it. At least I haven't figured that part out. And you can, let's see, you can move it around. No, you can't move it around. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You can make it bigger, and I think you can drag it around. Well, but you can delete it if you don't like it there and put it somewhere else. So so it's got sort of basic annotation in there. You can also blur out things that you don't want people to see. I do that sometimes if I have private stuff, and there you can resize it. And of course you can crop. So you click on crop, and you select an area that you want to crop. I'm gonna show you. If I wanted to, I can, and then you just press that, and there you go. You got your crop. Now you can undo crop. So it's pretty powerful for editing. You've got basically cropping, text, arrows, boxes, and color changing. Now, in terms of what you can do with it, I linked it to, it only has one cloud service that it works with, and that's Dropbox. So I linked it to Dropbox. I uploaded it to Dropbox, and let me get rid of that speaker. So I uploaded to Dropbox, and this is, I guess, the website. Well, let me show you what it looks like on the website when it goes to Dropbox. So the link is there in the drop-down app. And, what if you want to edit it again after you put it there? Well, the best way to do it, I found, is to just copy the image. And then if you go to the GUI thing, there's a little choice there called Image from Clipboard. And it takes whatever's the last image copied to the clipboard and puts it in there. And if you edit it some more, it'll be a new image in that, in that link. It's not going to be the 2013 7/4 at 4:59 p.m. PING. So it saves them as PING files, which I guess is useful. And so there's other ways to share it. If you want to, there's an arrow on the bottom right. If you want to save the image, you click Save Image, or if you want to drag it, or if you want to copy it, you can also post it to Facebook. You can tweet it, and you can send it by message or email. So Dropbox isn't the only cloud service that it's currently integrated with, but if you have a cloud service like Flickr where you can email the photo to, that'll work too. And to the right of the Dropbox thing, you've got, I don't know, that's kind of duplicative of the email, message link, tweet link, post link, and copy link. If you notice, they're similar, except the one on the left has copy and drag and save image. So overall, I think this is a very useful app. I like how minimal it is. I like how it's easy to edit and create annotations and then use them. So I'm glad I came across this. It's called Glui, Glui, and I think the developer, I guess his name is Sebastian Rizzolo, did a really good job. So good job, and based on my one day's use, I would recommend it.